Plasmic, Builder.io, Webflow, or Wordpress? Which one gives you the most control, speed, and flexibility in 2025? Let's break it down so you don't waste hours rebuilding your entire site later. Plasmic is a visual builder designed for devs and marketers. You can drag and drop but still connect to real code bases and CMS platforms. It works with React, Next.js, and integrates into your stack with clean components. It's great if you want visual editing without losing developer control. Builder.io lets you build full frontends visually and plug into any headless CMS or backend. It's API first, so devs love the flexibility while marketers love the drag and drop UI. It's ideal for teams with devs and non-devs working side by side, but it can feel too complex if you're just starting out. Webflow is still the king for visually building responsive, hosted websites without code. It gives you full control of design, layout, and animation, all without touching HTML or CSS. Perfect for solo creators, agencies, and startups who want design freedom without coding. WordPress is the most flexible CMS, with thousands of themes, plugins, and self-hosting options. You get total control over your site, but it needs more maintenance, especially with plugins and security. If you like owning everything and don't mind the setup, it's still a strong contender. Use Plasmic or Builder.io if you're part of a dev team. Go with Webflow if you want beautiful code-free design. Stick to WordPress if you want full control and plugin freedom. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.